Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to find someone on Bigo Live. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open up the app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you launch the app, on the screen you can see there are a few options at the bottom like live, video, go live, chat and me. But at the top right corner you can see notification and search bar. Tap on that search bar and you can type in the username, ID or live title of the person you want to find. Now I'm gonna tap on user ID I've got of my friends. Tap on search and guys, that's it. That's how I found my friend. You can type in the other usernames or live titles and find them on the screen. And guys, that's it. That's how you find someone on Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.